Hey guys, so today I'm going to be sharing with you my pedicure routine. Everything that I need is right there in front of me and I'll quickly talk you through them, okay? I have right here my towel, I have here my foot bath, and I have here my pedicure kit. This was a makeup box. I've had it now for about 13 to 14 years. My husband gave it to me as a gift. And this is my pedicure set. Always ensure to have yours. So the things I'll be using, I have right here my shampoo. You can use a foot shampoo, but a lot of times I just use my hair shampoo. It's just the same thing. Shampoo is shampoo. But if you can get the kit for foot, that's fine. I also have this scrub. I actually got it for my face, but I don't use this product anymore. It's very harsh for my face, so I use it for my feet. And I have the stone made in Niger. This is traditional, this is local. This is what I use to scrub off all the dead cells from my feet. I do not use razor to scrape off any dead cell. If you use razor, it's going to make your feet harder. And finally, I follow with my Palmer's coconut oil. So then I go on to nail polish and everything. Let's just get started. Alright? I'm going to pour my hot water in my foot bath right here. The thing I didn't show you earlier on is this salt. Salt has a very powerful effect. It will soften the dead cells on my skin very quickly. This is the traditional way of softening the dead cells on the skin. So then I go on and add my shampoo. The shampoo is to clean the feet. You can use a foot shampoo, but I always use my hair shampoo. I've always done that for years. So I'm going to add my cold water, so the temperature is good for me to be able to put my feet inside. It's relaxation time for me, more or less. So I'm going to put my feet right inside. The temperature is good, it's not too hot. Ensure it is not too hot. And I'm going to be leaving it for as long as possible. There's no rush. I have my phone here. I will be flipping through my phone as I do this. So the next step now is for me to take my stone and I'm going to start washing my feet right there. I start out by washing here, scrubbing out of the normal, and I go onto the back of my feet. Because I do this soft tone, there won't be so much to scrub off. I check out the sides and scrub off as hard as I need to. So I have my cuticle remover right here, and I'm going to be using that to take off all the cuticles from my nails. Once you soak, it's easier for the cuticles to come off. Once I finish taking off all my cuticles, I use that scrub. Like I said before, it was a facial scrub, but I barely use it for my face. So because it was too harsh, so I use it for my feet. I use that same stone to kind of exfoliate my feet. My feet feels really soft and smooth. I'm going to be here for another 5-7 minutes, then I'll rinse off, okay? I tell you, if something is formulated for your face and you manage to use it for your feet, it's as good as exfoliating or taking care of your face. So it's time to rinse now. There, wipe my feet. I'm going to go ahead and put my cocoa butter. So what nail polish do I wear? This one is just a nude one. I think I'll just go for this nude one. I'll go with the nude, and that's my top coat right there. So that's my nail remover, my nail file, and my cotton pad. So I'm going ahead to file any roughness that may be on my nails to keep it really smooth. So to smoothen it, I have my buffer. I'll use the buffer to smoothen everything. I basically have everything. I was buying in bits until I built up my collection. I'm preparing my nail to receive the nail polish by actually using the nail polish remover to remove anything that is there. So the next step for me now is to use my base coat on my nail. So I always wait about 1 minute or so, then go on to the nail polish itself. So here goes my nail polish. So the nude one on my nails. I'm not sure my camera can pick it up, but that's what it looks like. It's nude, so it's kind of like milk on my nail. I have my cotton bud. If there's anything that is kind of not neat around it, I just use that cotton bud to remove anything that is not neat on my nails. So everything is neat and professional looking. As you can see, it's very neutral, but that's what I like. You can go ahead and use any nail color you want, and that's the finished look. That is how I do my pedicure. And I do my pedicure every 4 weeks. If I have the time, I'll soak it like this. If not, I just do it in the bath. And I change my nail polish every 2nd week. Okay, and that is how I get my pedicure done at home. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Also, please feel free to share with your friends and family. It's all free. And I'll catch up with you on my next video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.